Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach your SJCAM SJ8 PRO to a helmet. You can attach it to a helmet or any other surface at all with this attachment. I believe I had like 6 in the box. They have this tape at the bottom that you can tape onto something, and to be able to attach it you'll need to put the thing inside of the waterproof cover. And the waterproof cover, it actually comes, I mean there's like 2 options to put it, so maybe I'll show you both. Either in this cover you can have either these door or these door. These ones don't have touch capacities, these do, so that's great. If you want to learn more about this cover, you can watch a video on how to put it in the waterproof cover. Then put the camera in, close the door, then find the latch, close it like that, and it's in. Then you will need this attachment. This attachment is, you can see, you can screw it onto the cover by putting it on like that, then putting the screw through this screw hole and screwing it in just like that. Now once you tighten it all the way, you cannot rotate this thing. Now I can rotate it, but once you screw it all the way in, you cannot. Then once you have this thing attached to a helmet or any other surface, you can simply just slide the thing onto it, right? Just like that. It's now on, and that's how you do it. Now to take it off, you'll need to just slide it off, but to slide it off, it's not that easy. Actually requires some force. Well, I'm gonna maybe unscrew it. Maybe that will be a bit easier. Okay, yeah. Let's put the plant back. Now, if you want to do it without the cover, because you can also do it that way, of course it'll have less protection then, but if you want, you can open the door by sliding this slider. I mean, I can open the door because I've already put it in the cover, but slide the slider, then open it from the front, and then it'll be unlatched. You can open the latch, take the camera out of here, and in the box there's also a special screw, and that screw is great because you don't have the cover. Then you don't have to have the cover. Then you can see I have this part which won't be needed, and I have this part which will be needed, and you just need to screw it in like that. Okay, I think you can see you should align it, and to align it, do it like that, then take this cap and screw it onto the camera, then take this part that we had, put it on, and again you can just put the screw in and it'll be working like that. So let's do it. Now let's slide it onto this thing, and it's on. You can see you can attach it to anything, honestly, at this point, and yeah, that will be about it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.